today I'm gonna show you how I make my green smoothie for breakfast every morning to keep my skin glow and healthy and help me lose weight. Okay, if you wanna lose weight just like me, okay, you can do it too. Okay, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna use. Okay, a cup of spinach, a cup of kale, and I have a banana. I have a couple pieces of mango chunk. I have a kiwi, and I'm gonna add 2 apples, a green one and a red one. Okay, a little bit of ginger, and I'm gonna add 2 cups of water. Okay, I'm gonna add my spinach now. Okay, just a cup, 1 cup, not too much. See, it's 1 cup. I'm gonna add my kale. I'm gonna add my water. And I'm gonna blend it first before I add all the other fruit. Chop my apple. I'm gonna peel my ginger. I'm gonna add my banana. Kiwi lastly. Okay, now I'm gonna blend it again. Now this smoothie is ready. Okay. It's really good. Thanks for watching.